Simplify. 4x over x squared minus 9 minus 2 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3. We must simplify this, and in order to simplify this, we need to identify what do we have here. Here we have algebraic fraction, and the rule that we must always remember is the golden rule of the fraction. And secondly, we must always remember we have to get fraction with fractions. So keep being with me and watch the steps that I am taking out. This equals, before you simplify, you must make sure to see you have operations of minus and plus. And when we have fraction, algebraic fraction, with these operations, we must always have same denominator. Okay. And also, we must have one term over one term. So we are going to start first to simplify in order to make everything one term over one term. We will start 4x over x squared minus 9. How are we going to do this one term? In order to make one term, all of these, each term must be simplified separately. So we'll say this equals 4x over. We have here difference of square. So in order to simplify this, we will factorize, because we have difference of square and we are going to apply difference of square method. We're gonna therefore say this simplifies to x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then bring it down, your minus. 2 over x plus 3, we cannot simplify any further, but we are going to bracket the denominator in order to make it one term. Then bring it down, your plus 1 over x minus 3. We can't factorize, but we're gonna bracket in order to make it one term. Now we have each term is one term. So now we must make the denominators the same. So let's check. First fraction, we have got denominator of x minus 3 times x plus 3. And second fraction, we got just the x plus 3. And the last fraction, we get just the x minus 3. We therefore need, here we must get x minus 3. And here we must get x plus 3 in order to make denominators the same. Because we see first fraction, we have x minus 3 and x plus 3. So what we wanted to change is the second fraction and the last fraction. And in order to change the denominator of the second fraction, the difference is just the x minus 3. We therefore need to multiply x minus 3. Remember, the golden rule says, whatever you do to the denominator, you must do also to the numerator. We therefore going to multiply x minus 3 on top too. Second, the last fraction, we have 1 over x minus 3. We therefore see the difference is only x plus 3. So we are going to multiply by x plus 3. And on top, we must multiply x plus 3 too, because whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. This simplifies 4x over x minus 3 times x plus 3 minus 2 times x minus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus x plus 3 over x minus 3 x plus 3. Now we have all the ways same denominator. So now we're gonna say equals. Bring it down all your numerator. 4x minus 2x minus 3 plus x plus 3 all over. We have just one denominator called the x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now simplify your numerator, removing first the brackets. We're gonna therefore say equals 4x minus 2. The minus 2 must be multiplied by each term in the bracket. Therefore, minus 2 times x will give me minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 3 will give me plus 6. Here plus, we have a goes to 1. That means we must multiply this goes to 1 each term inside the bracket. Plus 1 times x will give me plus x. Plus 1 times plus 3 will give me plus 3. All over x minus 3 times x plus 3, which simplifies. Collect the like terms on top, I mean the numerator. Therefore, 4x minus 2x plus x, these are like terms. 4x minus 2x and plus x, this will give me 5x. 5x and minus 2x will give me 3x. 3x, and here on the constant terms, we have plus 3 and plus 6. So plus 3 and plus 6 will give me plus 9 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now, we can simplify on top after we collect the like terms, which gives us fraction of 3, highest common factor, which is 3, and then bracket of x plus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now we can cancel out x plus 3 and x plus 3. And this simplifies to 3 over x minus 3. Therefore, your final answer is equals 3 over x minus 3. Then you are done. Thank you.